Mr. Dumpster Diver here, seeing today what's inside a Sharp electric calculator. We're gonna smash this baby open and let's see what's inside an old calculator, and let's smash it open. Whoa, okay, let's put it in the side here. Let's see what kind of guts are in this. If we can hold it. Yep. Well, okay. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside this old Sharp calculator. Yeah. God, it's not. My finger's stuck. Okay. Okay, I get this. Ouch. Well, I'll have to do this better. Okay, what do we have here? Now this must be the parts here. More electronic metal there. There's a little itty bitty electronic part. Circuits. Got a piece of metal here. Piece of small metal. I'm having difficulty here, but under that, under the old numbers, is a big piece of metal, an electric circuit.